Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I'm going to take an Islamic Studies class for class nursery, and our today's topic is Tanween with double J from Za to Fa. That means from Za dui zer zi to Fa dui zer fin. And my dear students, today is our lecture number 8 and SW number 8. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn Tanween with double J from Za to Fa. So my dear students, let's start. At first look at the board. My dear students, here I have written 10 Arabic alphabet from Za to Fa. And my dear student, now we will keep double J under the every alphabet or letter. So my dear students, let's start. My dear student, now I'm giving double J under the Za. Then you have to pronounce this one Za dui zer zin. Za dui zer zin. Then my dear students, this one is sin. I'm giving double J under the sin. Then you have to pronounce this one sin dui zer sin. Sin dui zer sin. Then my dear students, this one is shin. You know that shin has 3 drops. Now I'm giving double J under the shin, and now we have to pronounce this one shin dui zer shin. Shin dui zer shin. Then this one is sword. I'm giving double J under the sword, and now we have to pronounce this one sword dui zer sin. Sword dui zer sin. Now my dear student, this one is dot. Dot. Now I'm giving double J under the dot. Now we have to pronounce this one dot dui zer din. Dot dui zer din. Now my dear student, this one is to. Now I'm giving double J under the to. And now we have to pronounce this one to dui zer tin. To dui zer tin. And my dear student, this one is dho. You know that dho has a drops. Now I'm giving double J under the dho. Now we have to pronounce this one dho dui zer din. Dho dui zer din. You have to pronounce this one very softly, because you know Joa have to be pronounced very softly. Okay, my dear student, this one is Ain. Ain. Now I'm giving double J under the Ain, and you have to pronounce this one Ain dui zer Ain. Ain dui zer Ain. You have to pronounce Ain from the middle of the throat. Now my dear student, this one is Goin, not Gain. Goin. Now I'm giving double J under the Goin, and now you have to pronounce this one Goin dui zer Ain. Goin dui zer Ain. Not Gain. This one is Goin. Now my dear students, last one for today, Fa. Now I'm giving double J under the Fa, and you have to pronounce this one Fa dui zer fin. Fa dui zer fin. Alhamdulillah, my dear student, today we have learned Tanween with double J from Za to Fa. My dear student, I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear student, you will practice more and more at your home. And my dear students, look at the board again. Today is our SW number 8, and you will make SW at your home from Za to Fa. That means from Za dui zer zin to Fa dui zer fin. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today, inshallah. See you again very soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.